Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the camper van enthusiasts out there. We're reviewing the 2025 Dacia Docker camper van, an affordable yet highly practical option for those who love road trips and outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a budget-friendly camper that doesn't compromise on comfort and usability, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Dacia Docker retains its signature compact yet functional design. It's not as bulky as traditional camper vans, making it easier to maneuver through city streets and tight camping spots. The front fascia has been slightly updated with a more modern grille and LED headlights, giving it a fresh and stylish look. The high ground clearance ensures that you can take it on rough terrains without worrying about underbody damage. It's available in a few color options, but the matte and metallic finishes make it look more premium than its price tag suggests. Moving to the side, you'll notice the sliding door, which gives easy access to the camper area. The windows are large, allowing plenty of natural light inside, which makes the interior feel more spacious. The rear has a wide tailgate that opens up to reveal a surprisingly well-organized camper setup. It also comes with a roof rack for extra storage, which is perfect for carrying bikes, kayaks, or additional camping gear. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior. The first thing you'll notice is how intelligently Dacia has utilized the space. Despite its compact size, the Docker camper van offers a well-thought-out living area. The seats are comfortable and can be adjusted for both driving and relaxing. The dashboard is simple yet functional, featuring a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless connectivity. There are multiple USB ports and even a wireless charging pad for convenience. One of the highlights of this camper van is its sleeping arrangement. The rear seating area quickly converts into a comfortable bed that can easily accommodate two adults. The mattress quality is decent, providing enough support for a good night's sleep. If you need more sleeping space, you can opt for the pop-up roof version, which adds an extra sleeping berth for kids or another adult. Storage is another strong point of the Docker camper. There are multiple compartments, under-seat storage, and overhead cabinets, ensuring you have enough space to store all your essentials. The kitchenette is compact but well equipped with a portable stove, a small sink, and a mini fridge. While it's not as advanced as high-end motorhomes, it's more than sufficient for short trips and weekend getaways. For those who love off-grid camping, this van also comes with an optional solar panel setup, which helps power basic electrical needs. The water tank capacity is decent for a small camper, and there's an optional portable toilet, which is a great addition for those who want complete independence on the road. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Dacia Docker camper van is powered by a 1.5-liter diesel engine, delivering around 115 horsepower. While it's not the most powerful van out there, it's fuel efficient, making it an excellent choice for long road trips. The 6-speed manual transmission is smooth, and for those who prefer automatic, there's an option available. The suspension is well tuned, providing a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Fuel economy is one of the biggest advantages of this camper. It offers impressive mileage, making it an economical choice compared to larger, more fuel-thirsty camper vans. The tank size is decent, allowing you to cover long distances without frequent refueling. Stops. Safety features include ABS, traction control, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera for easy parking. While it's not loaded with high-tech driver assistance features, it does have the necessary basics to ensure a safe journey. Overall, the 2025 Dacia Docker camper van is a fantastic option for those looking for an affordable, practical, and efficient camper. It may not have the luxury of high-end motorhomes, but for its price, it offers everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable road trip experience. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a small family, this camper van provides a great balance of functionality and affordability. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Dacia Docker camper van. Would you consider buying one for your next adventure? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AK Luxury Car Reviews for more exciting car and camper van reviews. See you in the next video.